What is up, everybody? I am Mumphy. This is my 2020 Toyota Tacoma, and in today's video I figured we could cover 5 simple mods you can do to personalize your Tacoma. Let's get into the video. First we'll cover some outside mods, and then I've got a couple interior mods that I'll cover, but mod number 1 is going to be my sequential turn signals. Now there are a couple options when it comes to turn signals you can get. There's the Meso Customs, and then there's also these sequential turn signals that you can do. I went with the sequential. I like the look of them a little bit more so than the Meso. So I like the sequential turn signals just because it gives you that signal pattern. Kind of like what is on the LED headlights for the 2020s. So I wanted to keep that theme moving through the turn signals, and so that's why I went with the sequentials. Alright, mod number 2. I have to come down here. I did the Blackout Badges. These you can find on Amazon, and because I didn't do the blackout package from the dealer or from Toyota, instead of doing like Plasti Dip or anything like that, I just went with the overlays. So good cheap mod to do to your Tacoma if you want to get rid of the chrome. Alright, so mod number 3 is going to have to be the flag decals. Very inexpensive to do, and there are plenty of different options out there that you can go with. I went with Tactilian magnets, so that way they're easily removable if I need to. They also offer some inserts, so if you want to do a thin red line, thin blue line, or even a green line, those options are available. Really inexpensive, cheap to do, and they look great on both sides of the truck. Alright, for the next 2 mods, we're going to have to go on the inside of the truck here. Come on in. I'll get you adjusted here. And what we're going to be talking about is the LED upgrade package. Now, I got these from Tacoma Beast. They are just the bulb replacements. Great addition if you're not looking to do the full Meso LEDs and kind of keep somewhat of the stock look on the inside. These LEDs are really bright and I love them a lot. They've definitely added more interior light than stock. So great option there for your interior. Mod number 5 is probably hands down one of the best investments that I've made on my Tacoma, and that is a screen protector for my nav and for my dash. I went with Screen Protec. They're actually a local company in the area that I'm with, but they ship all over the US. I've spoken with the owners. They are awesome to deal with. They're quick, they're very knowledgeable, very helpful as well. You can contact Jess or Chris with Screen Protec if you have any questions. Currently, right now, for the Tacomas, they have the Gen 3 Tacoma dash and nav screen. So that's the 2020s that have all the buttons, and the non-button earlier Gen 3s that have like the CD player or whatever else. The other cool thing that they have is a protector for the little area next to the shift lever. So if you want to protect your screens and some of the more glossy areas of your Tacoma, check out Screen Protec. on Instagram, and I will leave a link to all of these in the description box below if you want to check them out. Alright, so to wrap up this video, those are my top 5 simple mods that you can do to your Tacoma to kind of make it your own. Let me know what you guys are doing. Leave a comment down below. What's your favorite simple mod that you've done to your Tacoma? If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and look forward to more videos. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.